Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Adriana and this is Vlogmas. I did post a schedule on my channel in the community tab, so go ahead and check it out. Today, as you can see by the title of this video, it is a stationery haul. The types of items that I, as a beginner in my bullet journal journey and just drawing and doodling and just being in my bullet journal or painting in my free time, I just wanted to make this video as kind of anybody who is also looking to start their bullet journal journey, especially as we're entering 2021. I'm a huge proponent of not spending too much money if you don't know that you're super duper into something just yet. The items that I have definitely reflect that. Oh god, my pillow, that's bothering me. Still not even, but hey, it is what it is. Before we do get started though, I did want to mention in my last video, was it my last video? What did I post last? In my Paint With Me video, I had a little sneaky entry to my giveaway, which this video is going to be the official entry for my Amazon $100 gift card giveaway. So the official rules to enter this giveaway is to subscribe to this channel, to follow me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram right here and of course in the description below. The third one is to leave a comment on this video what the most exciting part of 2020 has been. I know we kind of tend to focus on the more obvious and like not so exciting parts of 2020 so far, but as the year is coming to an end, I think it's really important that, you know, we try to focus on the good. Oh, and in your comment, leave your Instagram as well. And I'll be choosing a winner for the giveaway in 2 weeks. So I will DM you on Instagram. Sorry, I'm so rude. I didn't even transition into the video with something like, now let's get started. So let's get started. I am just going to be showing some of the items that I have been using, all super affordable. If anybody wants to get into, you know, tapping into their art skills or just wanting to get into their bullet journal, as I said at the beginning of this video, then these are some of the essential items. So I'm just going to start off, of course, with what we consider the fun things, which are the markers and pens. First being the Staedtler tri-tip fine liners in the 0.3 millimeters. I have honestly had this set of pens since high school. As you can see, I have misplaced the last two colors, which are dark blue and black, which is okay. Those are the easiest to find. But these I really do appreciate, especially because the packaging of it allows you to stand up the markers in a way that is super accessible to you if you are writing in your journal or drawing or doodling or whatever it may be. Next are the markers that I use. These are dual tip markers. I'm gonna butcher the name, but YongQiang. These are 24 markers. Hint, 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 I'll be giving one away in my next video. One side is a brush and the other side is a 0.4 millimeter pen, so a little bit bigger than the Staedtler fine liners. I really do love these. The color payoff is super nice. It allows you to build on the colors and layer a little bit more. But also, of course, have the fine liner option if you wanted to write something without, you know, it getting messy. I got asked in my last video a little bit more about my foligraphy, so I will maybe be making a video on that. But like I said, I'm not really great at it, so maybe I'll be practicing a little bit before I make my own tutorial. The next one honestly really surprised me, considering these are markers that we used as kids. Super duper affordable. I was able to buy these for $3.23 at Target, something like that. User friendly, very easy if you're a beginner. Easy to hold. You don't have to be too finicky with the soft brush tip. It's just straight up a marker. And I really like the packaging because the inside has little slots for each marker to enter, and the bottom part also has the colors for you to keep it in order. I hate when I take my markers out and when I put them back, they're not quite in the nice gradient that I would have liked them. It's just the small things that I really appreciate. Next, I'm going to move on to my Pigma Micron pens, starting from the smallest to the thickest nib. The smallest nib being 0.005. I really love this one. I use it for pages in my bullet journal, like the gratitude log, or when I'm outlining some of my sketches. Surprisingly, even though this is the finest one, it is the most sturdy. I feel like the other ones, they kind of bend and fold a little bit. I don't know if I just have a strong hand or what. And here, this is the 1mm pen, the graphic. I really do appreciate this one because once again, the nib is super sturdy. A lot of control and a lot of support on this one. But fun fact, I've misplaced this one, so I can't even appreciate it anymore. Now I'm going to be moving on to my miscellaneous items that are not pens or markers. I'm starting with this stamp set. I bought this off of Amazon. It has all the combinations of when the month will start / end and also each month, but I don't think I'll use those. Honestly, I should just go ahead and cut that off because it does get in the way. I also bought this stamp set from Michaels. It came with these 6 inks for $3 or even less than $3. Honestly, take advantage of Michael, don't take advantage of Michael. Take advantage of Michaels and their reward deals. You could get stuff for super duper cheap very often. They're always having super huge sales. Of course, this pack came with pretty much just pinks, purples, and greens, and of course the one black. I think I do just prefer writing in my journal, but it is convenient when you don't feel like writing out the months. Some of my favorite things in my accessory box, my washi tapes. I bought this set of 40 from Amazon, I think not even $8, and I really love it. These are my watercolors that you have seen me paint with in my previous videos, especially in my Paint With Me video. Self-explanatory, this Exacto knife has really helped me with a lot of more or heavy duty crafts. I've used this in my floral DIY video. I'll go ahead and link that above. Really great for cutting things like styrofoam or paperboard. Yeah. And then I have a random super duper miscellaneous things like these little clips when I am in my bullet journal and I don't want my pages to be opening up, especially when I'm painting. These stickers from the brand Capital Designs, honestly really love them. They're super duper cute. This is such a cute little book and it features women of color. It even features diverse women, one with a hijab. I could be saying that wrong, I'm so sorry. Women of all shapes, sizes, and colors. And I love that it has the gold accents and the colors are not too in your face. These are colors that I gravitate towards anyway. So yep, that's it. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna do another giveaway. I think it's next week. I don't have the schedule remembered off the top of my head. I can't wait to see you again at the end of this week. I'm really proud of myself. 2 videos a week so far. Hopefully that just that momentum just continues into the new year. But you know, I do need that encouragement from you all. So let me know if you like this video, what other type of content you'd like to see from me, and I'll see you in the next one.